Hi, in front of me is CAT S61 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this CAT device. First of all, we need to go into Play Store and download Recorder. You can download one of these apps. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it, choose Install and tap on Open. Now select Allow and click on the red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking at the smaller one, and if you want to end it and save it, click at the red one again. Then enter name of your recording and choose OK. Now you need to click on this icon at the bottom left corner with headphones, close an ad, and as you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. You can always delete it by clicking at the bin icon at the top right corner, clicking on the recording and choosing delete, then OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!